Hi guys, this is Big Phil from Big Phil TV. Once again, I'm back to another video. This time, we're going to be checking out some of the tips and tricks for the Sony WF-1000X-M3. Y'all know this is my favorite headset right now. And there are some things you got to do if you want to maximize the full benefit of this great headset. I mean, it's just an amazing headset. The sound quality is amazing. The noise cancelling feature is just the best. I've compared it with the Apple AirPods Pro and the Galaxy Buds. I'm going to drop the link of those videos in the description below. You can check it out. And this always comes out the best, the champion. So in this video, I'm going to teach y'all what are the things you got to do or the features that you got to enable if you want to achieve the full benefit of this great headset. So without wasting much time, let's get directly into the video. The first tip and trick is connecting this earbud for the first time to your smartphone. What you got to do is you take them out from the box, put them in the charging case, just like this, close it up, and make sure this LED light turns on. Then you open it, and they'll be in pairing mode. You take it out, put it in your ears, automatically they'll be in pairing mode. Then you can connect it to your smartphone. The process is very simple. Secondly, you got to look for the perfect ear tips that fit well in the ear. There are three reasons why you got to look for the perfect ear tips. Number one, as you can see, the earbud doesn't have any ear wings, which means it relies on the ear tips and this rubber part in order to stay fit and firm in the ear. So you got to look for the perfect fit. Number two, it keeps all outside noise so you doesn't hear anything from outside, and combined with the noise cancelling feature, it's just amazing. Third, it gives you great sound qualities. So you got to look for the perfect ear tips. Take your time. As you can see, Sony put two sets of different ear tips in the box. These ones are foams and the one at the top are silicone. So you got to go through, take your time, try out all the different ear tips until you find the perfect one. You're going to enjoy this headset. The next thing you got to do is to download the Sony Headphone Connect app. The reason is because this is the best headphone app ever. It has so much information and full customization about the earbuds right on your smartphone. You got things like the battery percentage of each earbud, the battery percentage of the charging case, the equalizer, the music that's playing, the 360 reality sound. You can change the touch functionalities of the earbuds right from your smartphone. You can even download software directly from your smartphone. So this app is full of features. So this is the reason why you must download it, because it's the best. Another great feature that must be enabled is adaptive sound control. When you turn it on just like this, the earbuds automatically dictate what you're doing and adjust the noise cancelling or the ambient sound. Right now, it says I'm staying, which is true. As you can see, the noise cancelling is at 0, so there is no ambient sound. And if for example, you're working, the ambient sound goes to 12. If you're running, it goes to 20. And if you're in a bus or a train, the noise cancelling is activated, which is good. Automatically, all this is adjusted automatically based on the environment where you are, which is really good. So it adjusts the noise cancelling, ambient sound so you can hear your surrounding, or no ambient sound so you concentrate on the music. So this is something that must be turned on. The next tip is to customize the equalizer. The EQ comes with a lot of presets like bright, excited, mellow, relax, vocal, treble boost, bass boost, speech, manual, custom 1, custom 2. But my favorite, and the one that I advise y'all to choose, is Excited. Excited is the best because it has a balance between bass and treble. So you have great sound. Even at maximum volume, the sound quality is great. There's no distortion at all. And the next, if you want to take it to an extreme, you go to Bass Boost, which gives you more bass than treble. And the next that I normally choose is Manual, because here I've customized it to my liking. As you can see right here, the clear bass is right here at 10 plus 10. And this is right up almost to the max. This comes second, third, fourth, and this fifth. This is at 0. So this is manual. You can do it like mine, which is going to give you great quality sound. So the equalizer is something that you got to do. You can choose, I said it before, Excited or bass boost or manual. So the next thing you gotta do is to dedicate each earbud to do something. You get into the app, you scroll right down to change the touch sensor, and you tap on this little icon here. Now the left earbud, you can choose either ambient sound control, playback control, volume control, or assign nothing. Mine, I've chosen ambient sound control. So if I tap once, I can activate noise cancelling, activate ambient sound, or I turn off ambient sound. And if I tap and hold for a long time, it activates quick attention, which means it pauses the music, turn on ambient sound, and lets you have a conversation with somebody very quick. Now for the right earbuds, it's the same thing. You can choose the same thing. Mine, I've choose playback control, which when I tap once, it pauses or play the music. When I double tap, it goes to the next track. When I triple tap, it goes to the previous track. And when I tap and hold for a long time, it activates the voice assistant like the Google Voice or Siri or Amazon, anything. You can activate it very quick. The next feature you got to turn on is pause when headphones are taken off. You got to turn it on just like this. And whenever you're listening to music, you take out one earbud from the ear, it automatically pauses the music. And when you put it back, it starts playing automatically. Very good and very simple. Another feature that you got to turn on is automatic power off. This is great in order to save battery. So if, for example, I'm listening to music and I take them out from the ear, put them on the table and stop using them for about 5 minutes, the earbuds automatically power off, which is a great way to save battery. And when you put them back in the ear, they automatically power on and connect to the device so you can start listening to music again. That is really good. That's a great feature if you want to save battery on each earbud. It's really good. That's all about this video. The tips and tricks for maximizing all the benefits of this great earbuds, the Sony WF-1000XM3. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out more videos coming up on the channel. Until then, see you into the next one. Peace.